Hey guys, let's take a look at the holiday collections that Close to My Heart has just sent me. I am so excited to share these with you. Okay, first up, it looks like we have a collection called Cedar and Pine, and this is the first time that I'm actually opening these, so you guys are sharing in my joy at seeing them for the first time. That is a gorgeous floral with a pretty pink stripe. It's like hand painted, kind of paint on here, little hand painted dots. Love that. Oh, that green is so pretty. This says, "Let it snow, white Christmas, deck the halls," all sorts of Christmas sayings. And then the sticker sheet. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute that is. I love everything about this. It's so hand-drawn and just absolutely gorgeous. So I also have the Picture My Life cards that go with this collection. If you are a pocket page scrapbooker like me, you will love to have these on hand to coordinate with your collection. And I love that they flip them vertical and horizontal, so you get the best of both. Let's take a look at these. It's a tree. Oh, pink on the other side, how cute. They're slightly different side to side. This also means if you're doing a December project that you can have the same card on both sides if it works out that way. Like this one would be fine on both sides. That's so cute. Mistletoe Kisses. Warm Wishes. Deck the Halls. Fa la la. Super cute. And then we have the 4x6s. Christmas Blessings. That would make a cute card. 'Tis the Season. Let Heaven and Nature Sing. A Little Wreath. Merry and Bright. Peace on Earth. Oh, I love that one. So all kinds of good things in there, my friends. And then let's take a look at the compliments. Now these punch out super easily. I love this one that says, "Oh, what fun." And look at how cute this is. Has a little nutcracker in it. Love, love, love that. Those are so cute. Okay, now let's look at the coordinating cardstock here. And it looks like there are 12 sheets total, so you get 2 each of all of the coordinating colors. I just love that. So you don't ever have to worry about having the wrong color cardstock, you know, trying to match your pinks with the collection, because it's all there for you. Makes it super easy. Okay, so that is Cedar and Pine. Let's take a look at the second collection I have here, called Holly Jolly. This one looks to be a bit more playful. So we have presents and a pretty green, red stripe, pink plaid, and snowflakes. And then, look at this. How fun is that? I love how these are sized large enough for a scrapbook layout too. Really fun. I love those. I could see myself hanging those from the top of a layout. Okay, there's so many fun things here, and I think a lot of this stuff will coordinate with both collections, but here are the compliments for that one. Great stickers here, great borders, perfect for layouts. And you'll notice here that there are 2 in each, so that's great for a double page layout. Here is the coordinating colors. So red, it looks like green. You get 3 of each in this one. This pretty robin's egg blue, which I love, and a lime green. So there are those coordinating colors. And then look at these embellishments, you guys. Oh, now you could use that with either collection. It looks like striped ribbon bows. These are the Holly Jolly dots. Super cute. Loose sequins. Looks like they have stars and the regular sequin shapes. Here are the Holly Jolly Picture My Life cards. Let's do the 3x4 first. Let It Snow, Joy, Comfy and Cozy, Sweet. Little Santa, Love Never Melts, how sweet is that? Be Merry, No Peeking. This is a great journaling tag, and I love that it's double-sided. Stripes, Dots, Dear Santa. That would be a great one to have your kids fill out. And an ornament. Oh, 3 ornaments. That's so cute. Home for the Holidays. Oh, how cute is that? It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. Moments of Wonder. Merry and Bright. Wish List. Pretty, pretty. Oh, this one's so cute. Look at the scallops. Oh, I like it in green too. Presents. Stripes, trees, and a pretty plaid. Awesome. So we also have mix-ins. Everybody loves the mix-ins. They're super fun, and they go with both of the collections. Green plaid. Ooh, with that pretty kind of sky looking paper. Red sparkles and a dot. Green dot, and some black with trees, red sparkles, so pretty. Oh, pink scallops, I love that one. Oh, this one has all of the reindeer names. That's awesome. And a diagonal stripe with some trees. And then we have the mix-in coordinating cardstocks. Let's see what colors we have here. Oh, such pretty colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that pink. I love it. And I love all of these together. That would make for a gorgeous, gorgeous layout. So I hope you guys love what I've shared here. Be sure to shop at the link in my video notes so that you can find all of these new goodies from close to my heart.